In Excel, sometimes we just want to eliminate the formulas and then copy and paste the values only. Here's an example. So now in this table, we have the average scores for the first 3 quizzes in the physics course. And now I would like to copy the average score to a new column. And of course, we know we can use Command C copy and then Command V paste. In this case, we can see it shows some error information. This is because we are pasting the equations or formulas instead of the values. So in order to paste the values only, this is what we can do. So first, we select this column. We can use Command C or right-click, copy, and then go to the new location, right-click, paste special, and then make sure we choose values. So click it. So now, from the formulas bar, we know only the values are pasted here. And honestly, we would use such function quite frequently in Excel because sometimes we just need the values instead of the formulas. So in such cases, we can just use right-click and paste special to paste those what we want.